yes and you. Oh, it really doesn't show. Though it's more than he can handle. Life is anything but fair. Life is anything but fair. Just as soon as they turn older, come and sweep them off their feet. It's only making me feel smaller. Oh, the hidden love you need. So won't you lay me, or won't you lay me down? Won't you lay me?
Keep the old ladies. Where's the fog?
Won't you lay me down? Won't you lay me? Won't you lay me down?
What if you get sick? What could it be? Is my car percolator.
Oh, did you see
that? Makes coffee.
It does make coffee.
And you plug it in right there.
And a cigarette lighter.
Home and away. 12-piece coffee maker. Travel kit. In your car. Not over. It would have been cool if you could have read that.
You know it's hard, heaven knows I've tried, but it just keeps getting harder. So won't you lay me, won't you lay me down? Won't you lay me, won't you lay me down? Won't you let me?
It tastes like a dream.
Won't you lay me
Car coffee.
down? Won't you lay me? Won't you lay